Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the document now. Remove images, extra headers, and manual line breaks so data is consistent. This reduces errors later. Next, export the doc as plain text, TXT or Word, docx depending on table structure. If you have tabular data, make sure columns use tabs or commas as delimiters. Once done, save a copy named clearly. These steps force predictable formatting and set you up to import into Excel without guesswork. Now import the file into Excel. Go to Data from Text/CSV and select your exported file. During the preview, pick the correct delimiter, tab, comma, or pipe, and set each column's data type so dates and numbers import correctly. Once imported, apply text to columns for lingering delimiters, use trim to remove extra spaces, and find /replace to fix stray characters. Make sure to confirm headers align with columns, and lock the first row if you'll be sorting or filtering frequently. Finish by validating the dataset. Apply filters, run count and isNumber checks, and use conditional formatting to spot outliers. Once validated, save as XLSX for full Excel features or export as CSV if another system requires plain text. If something goes wrong, reopen the original export and verify the delimiter, text encoding, choose UTF-8 when available, and remove non-printing characters using clean. Finally, make a backup copy. This completes the conversion and gives you a clear recovery path.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.